Thank you for joining LedgeView Partners presentation on Microsoft Dynamics CR11, Attaching Connections to Records. I want to start by showing you a visual representation of some of the roles that we're going to be discussing today and how to establish connections between things such as an association and members of that association, where the association is an account record in Microsoft CRM, and then the members of that association can be an account, a contact, or a lead. The next example is a referred by and referral connection, where you could receive referrals from accounts, contacts, or leads, and they may refer you to another account, contact, or lead. And then on the far right-hand side, our project location. We have a new project entity established in Microsoft CRM, and we have multiple roles associated with that project or a particular project. And that could be an opportunity that is attached to the project, an account or a contact based on a role such as consultant or independent representative. So a couple of things I want to show today is tracking members of an association and how you would actually, using connections, be able to specify the members of a particular association, how we can track referrals, and the ability to set up multiple connections for a record, as well as attaching a connection to a new entity. And in this case, we're going to be attaching an opportunity to a project. Going into Microsoft Dynamics CRM, let's start with our member and association connection. I'm going to select bold accessories out of my account list. And when I click on connections, I'm going to see that currently they have no connections to any other record within the system. To add a new connection, I'm going to click on the Connect button in my ribbon pane and say that I want to connect it to another record. I'm presented with the screen where I can now specify who am I going to be connecting this bold accessories to. And by starting to type, it will automatically find the value I'm looking for. And I can again start typing, and it will come up and specify two items that it finds that, or two roles it finds that match what I'm typing in. Well, I want to specify that this is the association membership, and when I did that and I tabbed off of it, it automatically, because of the one-to-one relationship between these two roles, filled in that bold accessories is a member of this association. And I could specify a start date to that particular relationship, save and close to now have that relationship, that connection showing under the active connections for bold accessories. I've also received a new lead from bold accessories. So I want to connect it to another. And this time I'm going to actually drill out and see if the lead record that they have provided me already exists. And I'm going to be searching for Sally Anderson. And I see that she does not exist, so I'm going to go ahead and put in this lead from bold, Sally Anderson. And I'm not going to specify anything else at this point other than my required fields. Save and close. That lead record, now that it has been created, is available for me to go ahead and select in establishing my relationship or my connection between Sally Anderson and bold accessories. Well, Sally Anderson is a referral. So we're going to select that. And by selecting referral, the system automatically knows that bold accessories is who referred Sally Anderson to us. Now I see under my active connections, my two connections I've set up, the membership to an association as well as the referral. Let's see how this works with opportunities and setting up a connection between an opportunity and an existing project that is already in the system. So if I look under connections, this time for an opportunity, I can see I already have a couple of active connections out here. I have a consultant and an independent rep organization that I already have some type of a relationship to here. But I want to go ahead and establish an additional relationship because this opportunity is regarding an existing project, and it's going to be a future opportunity to an already existing project. So from my drop-down area of where do I want to, what record type do I want to look to connect to, I am selecting my project entity. It's bringing up all of my active projects, and I can specify which project is this opportunity related to. And now I need to specify what the role is. This Sangren Hall project is the actual project location. Now the system did not automatically fill in what is the connected from role because project location has multiple connection types associated with it. And in this case, I'm going to say that this opportunity is a future phase opportunity. That is the connection between this opportunity and this project. And now I have my project location as well as my consultant and my independent representative as a connection to this particular opportunity. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about how you can connect multiple records together using the connections functionality. Join us for our other presentations on using connections for marketing, as well as viewing connection information using the advanced find and the report wizard criteria in the system. Thank you.